Okay, dear student, this is very important problem from the JEE point of view. Okay, now before going to solve this, I am going to write one important expression here. What is that? So the thing is tan of pi by 4 plus theta, and another one is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Have a look. So this is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Is it clear? Now, tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Which on simplify, you will get 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Similarly, tan of pi by 4 minus theta can be written as 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, ಇವೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದಾದ್ರೆ now we have a look here. The given thing is the value of pi by 4 plus half cos inverse of x plus tan of pi by 4 minus half cos inverse of x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, take this cos inverse of x as theta. Take cos inverse of x is equal to theta. That implies cos theta is equal to x. Okay, now have a look. This given expression become tan of, ಹಾಗೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, pi by 4 plus half into theta, nothing but theta by 2. Okay, plus tan of, what happens here, pi by 4 minus half into theta, nothing but what, theta by 2. So by using this formula, tan of pi by 4 plus theta, nothing but 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. This become 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Okay, plus this become 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Now what to do here? We need to take the LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2. So a minus b into a plus b. This become 1 minus tan square theta by 2. And again this cross multiply, 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan theta whole square, plus 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta whole square. So if theta by 2 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. Then what it become? This become 2 plus 2 tan square theta by 2, nothing but 2 into 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 2 into this expression can be taken as 1 divided by, can I take like this, 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. ಹಾಗೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we know that 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but what, cos 2 theta ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta by 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it become just cos theta. So what happens here, this become 2 into 1 by cos theta. Okay, that become, what happens here, 2 into 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 2 divided by this cos theta is nothing but what, x. This will be the answer. Okay, why they are given x is not equal to 0? When x is not equal to 0, only this valids. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So now cos inverse of x na theta ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, then cos theta become x. Therefore the given equation become tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So by using these two formulas, we can directly write 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. So now here we need to take LCM. So the LCM is 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. And cross multiplying or simplifying, you will get 2 into 1 plus tan square theta by 2. ಈ 2 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 1 by This can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This whole expression, we have the formula that cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So then cos theta become what? Cos theta become 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by what? 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So hagadre illiro 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 nothing but what? Cos theta. 2 into 1 by cos theta is what? X. Therefore this becomes 2 by x. Under the condition x is not equal to 0. Is it clear? Thank you.